So guys, today I want to show you something why some people prefer filling their tires with nitrogen instead of filling up their tires with regular air. Regular air ni oxygen. So, as we all know, air is 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and the rest is noble gases, the likes of neon. The reason why some people prefer using nitrogen instead of regular air is because nitrogen inakuwa na larger molecules and it will not permeate. Permeate ni kupenya through rubber, alafu unapata flat tire. That is, if you are leaving your car for a longer period of time without using it. For example, unaipark juu na travel, after 6 months utarudi. Unaacha kama umeijaza na dry nitrogen. So nitrogen has got a bigger molecules than oxygen, so it will not permeate through this rubber. Upate gari iko na flat tire. The other thing why people prefer using nitrogen is because itakupea fuel consumption iko fiti, and regular tire maintenance itakuwa cheaper because sio kila wakati utaendanga kujaza tire na pressure, mara umeenda ukapima, inakuwa more stable. Alafu kama unasikia ni dry nitrogen, kama una fill na regular air, of which is not bad, both gases meet the ideal gas law. What does that mean? They meet the ideal gas laws because temperature and pressure are directly related. For every 10 degrees increase in temperature, ina increase tire pressure hapa na 1 bar or 1 psi or 0.1 bar. Hiyo ndo the ideal gas law. Na both gases zina meet the ideal gas law. So either unatumia oxygen, either unatumia nitrogen, zote ziko fiti. Ni ile tu nitrogen itakuwa more stable kuliko oxygen. Utajuaje taya yenye imefiliwa na nitrogen? Zinakuanga na green valve stem cap. Valve stem ni kale ka valve mali unadunganga hivi ukiweka pressure, inakuanga color green. That is how you can know if that tire has been filled with nitrogen. So that is the reason most people prefer using nitrogen over oxygen while filling up their pressures. Thank you.